Welcome, here I've got Realme GT Neo 2 and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are, now we can easily start recording this type of video by tapping on the big red shutter button at the center, so let me start to show you how it works. And this is my object. Now let's start by tapping again on shutter button to see the video. Let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.